Welcome to another episode of the Creative Action Podcast. This is the third part of this marketing workshop I originally created for coaches that at the end is super useful also for mentors, consultants, and service providers. All the strategies I'm sharing today, I'm sure you will enjoy them. In this third part, we will dive into prospection. This is the art of identifying potential clients, also known as leads, and I will reveal how you can start generating leads almost for free. We will dive into the core 4. This is a framework made popular by Alex Hormozi, and this will allow you to identify opportunities out of nowhere. This workshop was hosted in the Volunteer Coaching Discord group. Volunteer coaching is a space where we engage in peer coaching between coaches, and we offer volunteer coaching to creative entrepreneurs. Also, we host new workshops every week. I think if you're a coach, a creative entrepreneur, you will enjoy this place a lot. In the description of this episode, you will see the link to get in, so get right into the group. I see you in there because I am an active member there. So without further ado, let's get right into the third part of this workshop. Yes. How do I raise trust with potential customers if I don't see any potential customers around? Because it might be the case that you are not seeing potential customers around, or you are not sure about having sales conversation with who, maybe. That's a valid question. So basically that's why we're going to focus on the prospection, which will take care of that. The prospection is a part of this process or system that we take care of you actually seeing potential customers. You need to have a way of recognizing those potential customers in a predictable and systematic way. What is prospection? Prospection is the process of identifying leads or prospects and contacting them. This is prospection. And this happens before having sales calls. So you are identifying potential customers, leads and prospects, and you are contacting them. So this is like the initial step. So I'm wondering right now for you, Andrew, and for you, Sihu, and for anyone that is listening to this or watching this video, what is a lead for you? And I mean, how does it actually look, this lead, in your business? Because businesses are different. Each business has its own systems and its own characteristics. So how does it look, a lead for you in your business? What do you consider a lead? And reflect on this question. So what is a potential customer for you? How do you recognize it? How do you identify it right now? In example, in last week, did you see any leads popping up somewhere? Did you recognize leads? Is it like a post that talks about something that your niche will connect with? That's not exactly a lead. That would be a way of getting leads. So if your niche is connecting with your post, it might be that the persons that are connecting with your post might be leads for you. It might be. The post in the specific post is not a lead necessarily. It will be maybe a lead magnet, we could say, something that attracts leads. So a lead is a person, is the contact, maybe, we could say. Andrew says, someone who fits into my coaching niche, but also someone who knows people in my niche. Interesting. Interesting, because you are seeing the value not only in the person as that person, that person being the potential client, but the person knowing others, which like kind of referral, kind of thing. Definitely interesting. I like it. It's definitely an opportunity. Definitely. So let's continue with this. Thanks for your input. Yes, you were mentioning interesting things, and we are going to connect what you said with the next slides, because we need to define what is a lead. We need to grab some definition for this. And for this case, I want to use the definition, not yet. I will show you an example first. An example for you. Which ones are real leads in this case. We have Reddit comments in a subreddit group. We have Facebook followers. We have Google results of your niche and your neighbor, which is a super happy old man. Which one is a real lead here? What do you think? A follower, says Andrew, is someone who's already subscribed to what you are putting out. Sounds like a lead. Definitely. Yeah, Facebook followers. I get you. Yes, from all these different options, this Facebook followers sounds more like a need. I was also thinking the followers. Excellent. Good answer. I think it was a smart answer. You say, both of you. And now I'm going to continue to the proposal I'm using for the definition of a lead. So based on the proposal I'm using right now, the real leads are, see, if I had to answer which ones are real leads, the answer will be yes. All of them. This is the definition of a lead by Alex Hormozi. A lead is someone you can contact. As easy as that. A lead is someone you can contact. What does it mean? It means that if you go out of your home and you see a person over there, you can go and talk to the person. That person is a lead. If they are a human, it's a lead. Definitely. AI leads. If AI is a person, not yet. Not yet, maybe. But I like this idea. I like this idea because you can see people on the internet saying, oh, I want more leads. I don't know how to get leads. And oh, no, boom, boom, boom. But seeing it in this way, it's helpful because you are starting with something. It's not like, I don't have leads. I don't know where to get leads. No, a lead is anyone you can contact. So you already have leads. You have leads in your WhatsApp. You have leads in your email, in the list of persons you interacted with in your Gmail or whatever. You have leads everywhere. But the difference that Alex Hormozi says, which I think is pretty interesting, is that what most people call leads is not leads, it's engaged leads. These are people that are already interested in you, in your product. That's another layer. Is you first start with leads and then somehow you create engaged leads. But you can start from the leads. So I want to recommend Alex Hormozi basically because some of the content I will be sharing here is based on Alex Hormozi's work, and I think is very good. They are 100 million offers and 100 million leads. Both of these books are very good. I recommend both. It's very condensed information, high quality, and the guy gives it for free, and it's amazing. I mean, it's a lot of value. I recommend it. So I was saying, leads are everywhere, literally. So you have leads. The problem, engaged leads, not necessarily. They are not engaged. But if you have leads, it means that you can engage with them. There are different ways of engaging with them. And Alex Hormozi proposes the core 4. This is Alex Hormozi's concept, which are the 4 basic ways in which you can create engaged leads. And I like this framework because it's very elegant, it's simple, it's something you can take with you for your business, and you can also reflect on this and what you're actually doing right now. I'm going to review this framework. Basically, there are 4 ways. The first way is warm outreach. What does it mean? Warm outreach will be the intersection between one-to-one, it means a private kind of reach for the lead, and reaching people that know you already. So that's a warm outreach. So if you are sending a message to a friend or someone that you already know, and you are mentioning your offer or whatever, that will be a warm outreach. Or not even your offer. If you're contacting them, that will be a warm outreach. Cold outreach, people that don't know you, and you are one by one sending them a message. That's cold outreach. Another way of engaging with a lead. Then you have the 1 to infinite, let's say, or 1 to a lot of people. So if you do this for people that already know you, that will be posting free content. But if you do this for people that still don't know you, that will be running paid ads. So I like this framework. I like this framework because it's helpful to see that there are multiple ways of getting leads, engaged leads. It's not like, oh, you need to have an Instagram account and post reels every single day. Hey, wait. That's posting free content, and that falls into the category of uh, reaching people that know you. Mostly, of course, Instagram has an algorithm that maybe shows you to other people, but mostly it's about reaching out the people that are already following you. And that will be only one way in which you can engage with leads. So it's interesting that maybe you should consider using warm outreach, consider using cold outreach, or consider using paid ads also as different ways. It might be that for you, it's not about cold outreach. For you, it's warm outreach, the way of doing it. Or maybe for you, it's paid ads. In example, a client I had, this Napo, this person I mentioned in our last workshop, our strategy was with paid ads. We got clients through paid ads. That was our way of getting clients. And it worked very, very good. It was super easy for us to do it. We started with Google Ads, then we upgraded to Facebook ads, offering a free Japanese class. And that was basically the main strategy, offering a free Japanese class. And the guy built his business with that strategy. Then after that, we created an ebook, and it was more cheap for us to get leads through the ebook first. And after they downloaded the ebook, then we were nurturing those relationships with more emails until we offer this free Japanese class again. But it was more cheaper for us to get clients through that journey. First from the ebook, and then after the ebook, offering that free consultation. So I'm mentioning this so you can take this concept and you can reflect on this in your current business. The question is, how are you identifying leads and engaging with them in your business right now? What are you currently doing? Are you doing posting free content? Are you running paid ads? Are you doing cold outreach? Are you doing warm outreach? What do you like the most? What was more effective for you? So these are good questions. And if you see that you have been trying posting free content, that you have been trying posting reels for, I don't know, 6 months, and you are not seeing traction and whatever, well, you can try something else. That's basically what I'm saying here. Recognizing what you are doing and seeing if it is actually working for you. Yes, that was the third part of the workshop. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to subscribe to our channel or also follow on your favorite podcast platform. And if you feel inspired, you can leave a comment or even share this with a friend. You might be wondering, how can I actually make sure that the leads I get are the best possible leads? Because you don't want to lose time with leads that you don't like or that they are not profitable leads. So in the next episode, I will explain a technique called the 4 golden circles of niche definition. This is a system to help you find profitable niches for your business, and I'm sure you will love it. Do you have any questions about anything we talked in this episode? Leave them on the comments and I will make sure to answer anything. So do it. So see you next Monday. I wish you an excellent week. Bye bye.